Hello, dear friends. Today's video will show you a natural remedy. It's a mix of black seeds and honey, and one of its main benefits is supporting the immune system naturally. Please note, if you develop any illness, you should consult a doctor. This remedy doesn't replace medical visits or prescribe medications, but it may help support faster recovery. This remedy is not recommended for pregnant women and children under 3 years old. If you have any medical condition or taking any medications, consult your doctor before using this remedy. Black seed contains active compounds like thymoquinone, which helps support the body's immune system. It has anti-inflammatory properties and may support the health of joints and tissues. First, grind 2 dessert spoons of black seed. Black seed is also an antioxidant, helping protect cells from damage caused by oxidative stress. It supports the respiratory system and may help calm coughing and irritation in the airways, and can make breathing easier. It also supports digestive health by reducing bloating and gas, helping better digestion and soothing the stomach. Black seed may help balance blood fats, support healthy circulation, increase energy, and improve overall endurance, which can help reduce fatigue. You need a glass container like this. Right after grinding, mix it with 3 times the amount of honey. This remedy is not recommended for the postpartum period with active bleeding, people with bleeding disorders, those taking blood-thinning medications, autoimmune diseases such as lupus, MS, or rheumatoid arthritis, insensitive or acidic stomachs, and for anyone scheduled for surgery. Now mix them well. Every morning, dissolve 1 teaspoon of the mixture in 1 cup of hot water and drink it after breakfast. Before using this for children, please consult a pediatrician. The best time to use this remedy is at the beginning of the cold season. After using it, some warmth is normal, but if you feel too hot or have hot flashes, reduce the amount. Let me know in the comments what health topic you'd like me to cover in the next video. Remember, these remedies will help improve your condition, but true healing comes from the soul. To live a healthier life, try adding these activities to your daily routine.